Most delicious vegan meals recipes by Angel Nightingale. Number 1. Vegan butternut squash soup. This vegan butternut squash soup has ginger, carrots, and apples for a wonderful flavor combination. Instead of cream, I use coconut milk. Prep time: 15 minutes. Cook time: 45 minutes. Total time: 1 hour. Servings: 4 ingredients. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 1 small onion, chopped. 1.5 inch piece fresh ginger root, minced. 1 butternut squash peeled, seeded, and cut into 1/2 inch cubes. 1 carrot, chopped. 1 apple peeled, cored, and chopped. 4 cups vegetable broth. 1 14-ounce can coconut milk. Salt and freshly ground pepper to taste. 1 small lemon, juiced. 1 teaspoon maple syrup, or to taste. Directions: heat oil in a large pot over low heat. Add onion and ginger. Cook and stir until soft and translucent without browning onion, about 10 minutes. Add butternut squash and carrot. Cook and stir, about 3 minutes. Add apple and cook for 2 minutes. Pour in broth, increase heat to medium, and bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low and simmer until vegetables are soft, about 20 minutes. Puree soup with an immersion blender until smooth. Puree soup with an immersion blender until smooth. Pour in coconut milk and season with salt and pepper. Add lemon juice and maple syrup. Stir until heated through, 2 to 3 minutes. Nutrition facts for serving: 403 calories, 25 g. Fat, 48 g. Carbs, 6 g. Protein. Number 2. Tofu and veggies in peanut sauce. A quick and easy meal of tofu and vegetables with a tasty sauce featuring peanut butter. A favorite in our household. Prep time: 10 minutes. Cook time: 10 minutes. Total time: 20 minutes. Servings: 4 ingredients. 1 tablespoon peanut oil. 1 pound firm tofu, cubed. 1 small head broccoli, chopped. 1 small red bell pepper, chopped. 5 fresh mushrooms, sliced. 1/2 cup peanut butter. 1/2 cup hot water. 2 tablespoons vinegar. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1.5 tablespoons molasses. Ground cayenne pepper to taste. Directions: heat oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Sauté tofu, broccoli, bell pepper, and mushrooms for 5 minutes. Combine peanut butter, hot water, vinegar, soy sauce, molasses, and cayenne pepper in a small bowl. Pour over vegetables and tofu. Simmer until vegetables are tender crisp, 3 to 5 minutes. Nutrition facts for serving: 443 calories, 30 g. Fat, 24 g. Carbs, 29 g. Protein. Number 3. Lentil Bolognese. Delicious vegetarian sauce for pasta, so tasty, and as nice as a meat bolognese. It can also be served with potatoes. Prep time: 20 minutes. Cook time: 32 minutes. Total time: 52 minutes. Servings: 4. Yield: 4 servings. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, or to taste. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, crushed and finely chopped. 1/2 red bell pepper, thinly sliced. 1 carrot, cut into small cubes. 1/2 cup thinly sliced mushrooms. 1/2 cup red wine. 1 14-ounce can diced tomatoes. 1 cup vegetable broth. 1 15-ounce can green lentils, drained. 1 teaspoon ground paprika, or more to taste. 1 teaspoon dried basil, or more to taste. 1 teaspoon dried oregano, or more to taste. 1 teaspoon mixed dried herbs, or to taste. 1 pinch ground nutmeg. Directions: heat olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Cook and stir onion and garlic until soft, about 5 minutes. Stir in red bell pepper and carrot. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Add mushrooms. Cook and stir until softened, about 2 minutes. Pour wine into the pot. Simmer until slightly reduced, about 1 minute. Stir in diced tomatoes and vegetable broth. Bring sauce to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer until flavors combine, 10 to 15 minutes. Stir in lentils, paprika, basil, oregano, dried herbs, and nutmeg. Cook until lentils are heated through, about 5 minutes. Cook's notes: substitute white wine for the red wine if preferred. You can also use 3 ounces dried green or do poor lentils for this recipe. Rinse well, put into a saucepan, and cover with cold water. Bring to a boil, reduce heat and simmer uncovered until tender, about 30 minutes. Drain and use in the recipe. Nutrition facts for serving: 202 calories, 4g fat, 27g carbs, 9g protein. Number 4. Bulgogi spiced tofu wraps with kimchi slaw. This vegetarian bulgogi spiced wrap recipe is big on taste with its beautiful blend of spices that perfectly complement the tofu and vegetables. It's really simple to make and so satisfying that it will keep your hunger wrapped up. Prep time: 30 minutes. Cook time: 8 minutes. Additional time: 2 hours. Total time: 2 hours 38 minutes. Servings: 6. Yield: 12 small wraps. Ingredients: marinade: 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 3 cups chopped leek, or to taste, 3 tablespoons chopped onion, or to taste, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 1½ tablespoons honey, or to taste, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1½ 14-ounce packages firm water-packed tofu, cut into 1-inch thick slabs. Vinaigrette: 1½ tablespoons honey, or to taste, 1½ tablespoons light soy sauce, 1½ tablespoons sesame oil, 2 teaspoons gochujang, Korean hot pepper paste. Slaw: 1 4-inch cucumber, cut into matchsticks, 2 small carrots, cut into matchsticks, 1/3 cup matchstick cut daikon radish, 3 scallions, cut into matchsticks, 12 leaves iceberg lettuce. Directions: combine 3 tablespoons soy sauce, leek, onion, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 1½ tablespoons honey, and black pepper in a bowl. Whisk until fully combined. Add tofu and cover with plastic wrap. Marinate in the refrigerator at least 2 hours. Whisk 1½ tablespoons honey, light soy sauce, 1½ tablespoons sesame oil, and gochujang together in a bowl. Toss in cucumber, carrots, daikon, and scallions. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate slaw until ready to use. Preheat an outdoor grill to 465 degrees Fahrenheit, 240 degrees Celsius, and lightly oil the grate. Add the marinated tofu and grill until browned, about 4 minutes per side. Let cool. Chop into 1x 3-inch strips. Toss grilled tofu into the prepared slaw. Wrap in lettuce leaves. Editor's note: nutrition data for this recipe includes the full amount of marinade ingredients. The actual amount of marinade consumed will vary. Nutrition facts for serving: 202 226 Calories 12 g. Fat 23 g. Carbs 10 g. Protein. Number 5. Vegan Indian curry with cauliflower and lentils. A staple dish in Indian cuisine, this vegetarian dal with vegetables is made with coconut milk, giving it extra flavor. Serve with rice, warm naan, or chapatis. Prep time 15 minutes. Cook time 40 minutes. Total time 55 minutes. Servings 4. Yield 4 servings. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, divided. 1 onion, finely chopped. 1 4-inch piece fresh ginger, peeled and grated. 1 large clove garlic, minced. 2 teaspoons ground coriander. 2 teaspoons ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric. 1/2 cup red lentils. 3/4 cup hot vegetable stock. 1 head cauliflower, cut into small florets. 1 14-ounce can coconut milk. 1 large carrot, peeled and diced. 1/2 cup frozen green beans, thawed. 3 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 pinch salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. 1 sprig fresh cilantro. Directions: heat 2 tablespoons oil in a large saucepan over low heat and cook onion, stirring frequently, until soft and translucent about 10 minutes. Add ginger, garlic, coriander, cumin, and turmeric and cook, stirring continuously, for 2 minutes. Stir in lentils and pour in vegetable stock. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, cover, and simmer gently for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, heat the remaining 1 tablespoon oil in a skillet over medium heat, and cook cauliflower until lightly browned, 2 to 3 minutes. Stir cauliflower, coconut milk, and carrot into the lentil mixture. Bring the curry back to a gentle simmer, and cook until vegetables are tender, about 10 minutes. Stir in green beans and cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes. Stir 3 tablespoons cilantro and lemon juice into the curry. Season with salt and pepper. Spoon onto a warmed serving dish and garnish with cilantro sprig. Nutrition facts for serving: 448 calories, 33 g. Fat, 33 g. Carbs, 13 g. Protein. Number 6. Sheet pan ratatouille. Ratatouille is a classic vegetarian French dish that I made in a sheet pan in no time, and got the most caramelized and tender vegetables. Prep time: 15 minutes. Cook time: 45 minutes. Total time: 1 hour. Servings: 4 ingredients: 1 large eggplant, cut into 1/2 inch cubes. 2 zucchinis, cut into 1/2 inch slices. 2 heirloom tomatoes, cut in wedges. 1 white onion, cut into 1/2 inch thick rounds. 1 red bell pepper, cut into 1/2 inch strips. 4 cloves garlic. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh rosemary. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar. Directions: preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Place eggplant, zucchinis, tomatoes, onion, bell pepper, and garlic in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil, rosemary, salt, and pepper. Toss vegetables until well coated. Roast in the preheated oven until slightly tender, about 20 minutes. Mix and roast for another 12 minutes. Reduce heat to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, and cook until vegetables begin to caramelize, about 10 minutes. Drizzle with balsamic vinegar. Nutrition facts for serving. 164 calories, 8 g. Fat, 24 g. Carbs, 4 g. Protein. Number 7. Vegan Alfredo with veggies. Just a few ingredient swaps can make creamy Alfredo pasta dishes heart healthy. This made-over version cuts sodium and saturated fat and boosts fiber to give your heart a little more love. Prep time, 15 minutes. Cook time, 25 minutes. Additional time, 20 minutes. Total time, 1 hour. Servings, 4. Yield, 4 servings. Ingredients: 1/3 cup unsalted raw cashews, 2 tablespoons olive oil, divided, 2 cups sliced button mushrooms, 1/2 16-ounce package whole grain spaghetti, 1/2 cup frozen peas and carrots, 2 cups fresh spinach, 1 1/4 cups water, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 cloves garlic, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, or more to taste, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, or to taste. Directions: put cashews in a small bowl, add enough boiling water to cover. Let stand, covered, for 20 minutes. Drain, rinse, and drain again. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add mushrooms and cook, stirring occasionally, until browned, about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, bring a large pot of lightly salted water to a boil. Cook spaghetti in the boiling water, stirring occasionally, until tender yet firm to the bite. About 12 minutes, adding peas and carrots in the last minute of cooking. Drain. Return pasta mixture to the pot. Add mushrooms and spinach. Cook over low heat, stirring frequently, until spinach is wilted. Whisk 1 1/4 cups water and flour together in a small saucepan until smooth. Simmer over medium heat, stirring frequently, until golden and pourable, about 3 minutes. Transfer flour mixture to a blender, add soaked cashews, lemon juice, garlic, salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and remaining 1 tablespoon oil. Blend until smooth. Serve sauce over pasta mixture, sprinkled with additional pepper and lemon zest. Cook's note: you can use fresh arugula instead of spinach. Nutrition facts for serving. 376 calories, 13 g. Fat, 57 g. Carbs, 14 g. Protein. Hope you love my delicious vegan meals recipe.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Have a beautiful day to each and everyone.